Thank you so much for being here. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. If you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We would love to have you join our YouTube family. And as always, please do give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy and leave a comment down below telling me how your day is going and what you think of the video. I love hearing from you guys. Also, please do not forget we do have an active giveaway going on right now, and that is for the Show Me Your Moo Moo Brie robe from FabFitFun, as well as a brand new Michael Kors wallet. You can head over to my Disney Villains ColourPop video, and that is where you can find the rules to enter. But I'm pretty excited. As you can see from the description today, we have... It's not the subscription box from Heart and Soul. It is an Easter basket. Yay! And it is so cute. It did come in a big box. I did take it out of the box, but I wanted to show you guys how it comes all wrapped up and all pretty. And it's just so cute. So I am so excited for this. I think this is going to be super fun. Before we open it and get into it, I'm going to tell you a little bit about this. Heart and Soul, I unbox every month, and they do have a subscription for like homemade bath bombs and lotions and different things like that. This is actually available through their Etsy page. They do have an Etsy site, which is heartandsoulus.etsy.com. I will put a link down below, and that's where you can purchase the basket. And you can purchase the baskets separate, or the products inside the basket separately. And it says there are multiple scents to choose from on the Little Easter Chick Bath Bombs, and that's telling us about the scent. Well, apparently one of them has a surprise. Okay. You can customize your basket any way you want, or just purchase the products without the basket. You do have a choice of toys such as a dinosaur, Pokemon, or Shopkin, etc. that you could have inside of a bath bomb as, you know, a surprise. And the basket is $35. There are different sizes, so different prices, but this one particular that I have is a $35 basket. And if you mention when you order on the Etsy page, if you mention me, Southern Mom, or the code, or mention the code Southern Mom 521, you can save $5 off your purchase. So, like I said, we'll put a link to their Etsy page down below, and I'm ready to dive in here. It's so cute. I don't want to open it, but I do want to open it because I love the way the products always smell from this company, and I can't wait to see exactly what is in here. So, but it's so cute, I don't want to mess it up. But sorry for the noise, it's going to be pretty loud for a second, so we can get in here. Oh, I can already smell some goodness. I do, I already smell goodness. Ooh, yum. Okay, so this is everything that, hold this little guy back, is in the Easter basket. How cute! Oh my goodness. Okay. So the first thing catching my eye, because it is super gorgeous, is this wand. Let me get it out of here. Okay, I actually do like it. It looks like she taped the items in. so that they wouldn't move around in shipping. And like I said, they were in a bigger box, but inside that box had not really bubble wrap, but like the big air pillow things to secure everything. But this was just an extra step that she took, which I think is awesome, to make sure that everything arrived safely and still intact. So just gonna make sure we get everything off. Oh, that is cute. I'm seeing some cute stuff. Sorry for y'all seeing the side of my head for a second. All right, just one more to go. There we go. Well, the tape is stuck to it. Oh no. Let me do this. I can use my box cutter and we'll cut the tape. Ha. Gotcha. Well, I think I did. I'm having trouble opening this guy. Okay, there we go. So, the first one, oh, and I can smell it. It smells absolutely amazing, and it is so cute. This is the Sparkle Star Bubble Wand, and the scent is Snow Fairy. And it smells so amazing, and it is just the cutest. So this is a bubble wand. Oh, that is so cute. Oh, and it just smells so fresh and just like amazing. Oh, I love that. Amazing. And then we have a Easter Bunny bath bomb. Smells awesome. Cute little guy. We have, let's see, a little chick bath bomb right here. So cute. Are these not just the cutest? And then, all right, so the Easter egg. Oh, we have a second little chick. Sorry. There's two. And it says that these may be unscented, but you can pick different scents. And there are multiple scents to choose from. And then the Easter egg bath bomb, which is this cute guy right here, has a surprise toy in it. So, not sure what the toy is, but I guess we'll find out. So, that is super fun. And then we also have, if I can get to it, the lip balm ring right here, and an actual lip balm in Go Bananas, and this is the same flavor or scent. So that is cute. Most kids will be like, ready to go. You can see a little girl just loving this. And then, like I said, the Go Bananas lip balm. And these lip balms are amazing. Christopher has a really hard time with like chapped lips, and these work wonders on his lips. And there is one item left. And I saved it for last because I think it is hilarious, and I know it will be used in my home by my 8-year-old son, and he will probably be so happy. And that is the poop emoji soap. And it says the scent is monkey farts. So I'm curious to smell. Oh, well, monkey farts apparently kind of have a banana smell. It actually smells really good. So I know he will thoroughly enjoy this. Because, like I said, he's an 8-year-old boy, and 8-year-old boys love poop and farts and all of that, right? If you have a boy, you know what I mean. So, yay for a monkey fart smelling poop emoji soap. The Go Bananas lip balm and lip balm ring. And then we have the Easter egg bath bomb that does have a little toy surprise inside. The cute and really big Easter bunny bath bomb. And then we have the 2 little chick bath bombs. If I don't drop this guy, they are so adorable. And then this gorgeous star bubble wand, sparkle star bubble wand in Snow Fairy. And it just smells amazing. So, like I said, this basket is $35. They do have where you can purchase just the individual items on their Etsy page, or if you want to purchase the items without the basket, it just varies. But again, if you do mention me, that you found them through me, I don't get anything out of it. It's just for you guys, to save you guys some money. Just mention to the seller Southern Mom 521 and you'll save $5. So I think that's pretty awesome. This is a fun little pre-made Easter basket, and it came beautifully presented. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, let me know down below what you think. I will again make sure to link the Etsy page down below for Heart and Soul. I hope you guys have a fabulous day, and I will talk with you with the next one. Bye.